Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Disconnect refrigerator power and unplug the unit before any work begins. Move the fridge to a ventilated area and wear gloves and safety glasses. Confirm the compressor type and whether the system is sealed or serviceable. Note that compressor oil capacity commonly ranges from 20 to 60 ml on household units. Gather specialized tools, refrigerant recovery unit, vacuum pump capable of 500 microns, oil injection syringe, and a torque wrench set to 15 to 25 Nm. Ensure a refrigerant-certified technician is available if needed. Recover refrigerant completely using a certified recovery unit before opening any sealed lines. Do not vent refrigerant. Federal regulations require proper recovery procedures. With refrigerant recovered, remove compressor access port and position a clean oil syringe or pump to drain oil. Use a vacuum-assisted method to capture residual oil and measure the removed volume in milliliters. Record the removed oil amount to determine how much fresh oil you will return. Keep used oil in a sealed container for proper disposal according to local regulations. Replace the access port and add the manufacturer-specified oil type, matching POE or mineral chemistry. Add the measured milliliters back or adjust to reach the compressor's documented 20 to 60 ml capacity. Reinstall fittings and torque fasteners to 15 to 25 Nm to ensure proper sealing. Evacuate the system to 500 microns using a vacuum pump and then perform a nitrogen or electronic leak test. Recharge the system with refrigerant per manufacturer specifications and run the compressor for about 15 minutes while monitoring pressures and temperature.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.